In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create collection lists and grids in Webflow, all within 5 minutes. Whether you're aiming to display a collection of blog posts, products, or any dynamic content, mastering collection lists and grids is crucial to building effective Webflow websites. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Webflow website. This is where you can harness the power of Webflow's visual website builder to craft a custom site that meets your needs. Once you're on the Webflow homepage, look towards the top right corner and click on the Login button. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up first, but assuming you have one, go ahead and enter your login details. This will take you directly to the dashboard, a hub for all your projects and designs. Next, navigate to your dashboard. This is essentially your workspace where you can manage and view all your existing projects. From here, select the project you'd like to work on. Clicking on your project will open it up, allowing you to further build or edit your website. Once inside your project, it's time to start adding some elements. You'll notice a plus sign or Add Elements tab along your toolbar. Click on this to open the Elements panel, which displays a variety of elements you can use to build and customize your website. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for adding collection lists and grids. With the Elements panel open, use the search function to find the word list. This section provides all the options related to lists, which is handy for what we're about to do next. Among the search results, you will find collection lists. Click on Collection Lists to add it to your project. Now that you've added a collection list, you can begin designing your layout. Collection lists in Webflow are powerful. They allow you to dynamically connect and display your collection items using the CMS. You might choose to show off a gallery of pictures, a list of recent articles, or products from your store. As you configure your collection list, feel free to play with the design settings to align with your vision. Consider using grids to organize your content more appealingly and effectively, giving your users a structured and engaging experience. By following these steps, you'll have a beautiful, functional collection list and grid in just minutes. Take advantage of the ability to connect your list to your CMS collections, providing automatically updated content and ensuring your site remains fresh and dynamic. That wraps up today's quick tutorial on creating collection lists and grids in Webflow. Don't forget to experiment with different layouts and styles to really make it your own. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!